I'm a lecturer, artist, writer, actor, director. Going back a couple of years ago, a friend of ours came to stay, and it was just a small remark. He said, I'm just upstairs to do a little meditation. Having been somebody in my 20s and 30s who had, I think, quite a lot of, I would say, quite profound experiences actually on a spiritual sort of level, into my 50s now, I'm early 50s, feeling, where's all that gone? Where's that person gone? And I felt, for a long time, quite sad, and feeling that the sort of joy's gone from my life, and that's feeling not like me. I've sort of feeling this isn't who I'm not who I thought I was, and I don't want to carry on being this person. I'm really fed up with this person I've become. I think what was alarming was just how ordinary and very simple everything appeared to be. The very lovely welcome, a house, just an ordinary house, which is lovely, which is so lovely, and a lovely welcome and a very nice cup of tea. Really nothing dramatic. I just feel so much better. I just feel more whole, and I feel more me than I have done for years and years and years and years and years and years. I feel more honest. I used to be somebody who, a lot of stuff would be going on in the background, and an hour later I'd be thinking, oh shit, I wish I'd said that, or I tend to be somebody now who can, I think, just say things as they are, much more quickly, not being afraid to say things. So I feel I'm less afraid, very focused, much more focused than I used to be. Just happier in myself, really. And a lot of the negative thoughts that were governing my life, I was consumed. It was like any time anything went wrong, suddenly you'd be consumed by just everything that was destructive. Just anything was anytime anything went wrong, it was an excuse to sort of rip yourself apart. And I'm not doing that anymore. I mean, the other thing I'm blown away by is how much I look forward to doing it. I really look forward to doing it in the morning, and I look forward to doing it at the end of the day. And it just feels like a little bit of a holiday every day. A little holiday in the morning, a little holiday in the evening. And even if you think it's not been a good one, it's not that frustrating. It's not that big a deal, because you can always do it the next day.